Hello guys, this is Sukrita Kotak this side from the EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 19 September 2022. Before starting with the current affairs for the day, don't forget to follow our channel Be EduCARE Official on our Instagram channel. Also, we also have a Telegram channel where all the regular exam updates videos are updated on the daily basis. So subscribe to our Telegram channel. The link is available on the Instagram. Union Minister Jitendra Singh to lead Indian ministerial dialogue in the Global Clean Energy Action Forum. The Union Minister made the statement while briefing the media before leaving on a 5-day visit to the United States as the head of a high-level joint ministerial official delegation. He further added that the forum will bring together all the stakeholders and it is an acknowledgement of the leading roles that are assumed by India in issues related to clean energy.
You're too close.
Prime Minister Modi also launched the National Hydro Mission on Independence Day in 2021. It aims to aid the government of India in meeting its climate target and making India a green hydrogen hub. India emerges as the largest bilateral lender to Sri Lanka. The country has provided a total of 968 million US dollars in loans to the island nation in 4 months of 2022. India has overtaken China, which in past 5 years from 2017 to 21 has been the largest bilateral lender to Sri Lanka. As per India's permanent representative to the UN, that is Ruchika Kamboj, the country has provided nearly $4 billion in food and financial assistance to Sri Lanka. On August 2022, India also handed over 21,000 tons of fertilizers to the crisis-ridden Sri Lanka. Over 1 lakh people donated blood on September 17, creating a world record as a part of fortnight-long Raktadan Amrit Mahotsav, which began on the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday, creating a world record for a single day donations. President Draupadi Murmu offers tribute to Queen Elizabeth II at Westminster Abbey in London. Britain's longest serving monarch is lying in state at the hall until the morning of the state funeral on Monday at Westminster Abbey. Murmu offered tribute to the Queen on behalf of the people of India. Queen Elizabeth had passed away on September 8. ICAR signs tech transfer pact with the BioVet for lumpy skin disease vaccine. It is a major step which has been taken by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research and it entered into an agreement with BioVet Private Limited for the commercial production of the indigenous vaccine for lumpy skin disease called as Lumpy Pro vaccine. Coming on to the daily current affair quiz, the first question for the day is, who has become the first Indian to win 4 medals at the World Wrestling Championship? The second question for the day is, an evacuation warning due to typhoon Nanmandol has been issued to which country? The third question for the day is, Prime Minister Modi released cheetahs in which national park under Project Cheetah? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. The answers to the questions asked in the previous video are as follows. Which state places first among states in trials pending in the fast track courts? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. What is India's logistics cost as per the proportion of GDP as of 2022? The correct answer is 13 to 14%. Which state celebrates Social Justice Day on the birthday of reformist leader E.V. Ramaswamy Periyar? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Which institution leads to the Coastal Cleanup Day campaign in India? The correct answer is Indian Coast Guard. Shout out to Shani and Neha for giving the correct answers in the previous video. Don't forget, guys, that EduCARE is conducting a weekly current affair quiz contest where one winner is going to get an Amazon voucher worth ₹100 every week. Stay connected to our channel for daily current affair videos. Don't forget to subscribe and share our videos to your colleagues as well as the different students who are preparing for various entrance examinations. For more information, please contact on the number which you can see on your screens. And for such MCQs, download the app from the link which is given in the description box below.